Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Linux World with GK. In today's session, I will explain 30 Linux basic commands that every beginner should know. So let me show you the Excel sheet where I have prepared all the 30 basic Linux commands that I will explain you one by one. So let me open my Excel sheet that I have prepared for you. So I have mentioned here 30 Linux basic commands that if you are a beginner you should must know about these commands. So I will explain you one by one on terminal. So let me open my terminal. Yeah, so this is terminal, and first I will connect my virtual machine. So let me connect my virtual machine. Yeah, so this is my Linux virtual machine, Ubuntu distribution. Yeah, so if you see in Excel, first command is ls command. The ls command is used to list the file and directories in a current working directory, and this is going to be one of the most frequently used Linux command that you should must know. So let me execute the ls command in terminal. So yeah, you can see the ls command list here all the files, and its ls command also lists the directory in current working directory. So if you want to see the details little deep, so you can run ls space -l, so you can see the file and directory with permission. So the next command is pwd. So pwd command allow you to print current working directory on your terminal. It is very basic command and solves its purpose very well. So let me execute pwd command in terminal. So you can see pwd command give the current working directory path. So right now I am in home/test. The next command is cd. The cd command is one of the important Linux command that you must know, and it will help you to navigate through the directory. Just type cd followed by directory. So let me show you how you can use the cd command in terminal. So right now we are in home/test. So if you want to move from here in different directory, let's suppose you want to move to temp directory, so just you need to run cd space -temp. So now you are in temp directory. You can verify same by executing pwd command. You can see your current path. The next command is mkdir. So we use mkdir command to create directory. The mkdir command allow you to create directory from within terminal. The default syntax is mkdir followed by directory name. So let me show you how you can create directory using mkdir command. Mkdir, let's suppose you want to create directory test.dir. Yeah, so you can same verify by running ls command or ls-l. So you can see test directory is there, and this is a directory with permission. So directory means you can store multiple file and folders. And next command is cp command. Cp, so cp command we use to copy the file from one location to other location. So let me show you how you can use the cp command in terminal. So let's suppose right now we are in home/test directory, and we want to copy one of the file, let's suppose test file, to temp directory. So for that we need to run a command cp space source file is test, and then we need to enter the destination path. The destination path is temp. So now if you will move to temp directory, you will see the test file is also available in temp directory. You can see test file. Next command is rm command. So rm command generally we use to delete the file and folders, and is one of the important Linux commands you must know. To delete the directory, you have to add -r argument to it. Without r argument, rm command won't delete the directory. So let me show you how you can use the rm command in Linux terminal. So let's suppose, so right now you have one folder and many files. So if you want to delete any file, you need to execute command rm space file name. Yeah, so this file deleted. If you want to delete any directory, you need to enter rm space -r then directory name. If you will not mention -r, directory will not delete. Let me show you. So I want to delete the test directory. Cannot remove the test, it is a directory. So let me show you how you can remove or delete the directory in terminal. So for that you have to add -r argument. Yeah, so now directory removed, you can see there is no any test directory. And next command is touch command. So touch command, with help of touch command we create files. So let me show you in terminal how you can create file with help of touch command. The syntax for creating file is touch hyphen file name which you want to create. Let's suppose you want to create file 1, file 2, test file. Yeah, so if you will do now ls, you will see all the file which you created. And next command is user add command. We use user add command to add a new user in Linux system. So let me show you how you can use user add command or add user command in Linux. Yeah, so suppose you want to add any new user in Linux system. So for that you need to execute command user add then username. The username is demo user. Permission is deny. Yeah, for that you have to execute this command as a sudo user. Later I will explain what is sudo user. Yeah, so now user demo created. Next command is cat command. So cat command we use in Linux when we want to see the output of any files. So let me show you how you can use the cat command in terminal. So I have created a lot of files like test file, test2, test3. So let me put some text in file. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel Linux world with GK. Yeah, if you want to see the output of this file without any text editor, you can do cat space file name. Yeah, you can see the content of this file. Next command is clear. So clear command clear the terminal display. Let me show you the how you can use the clear command. So as of now you can see on terminal a lot of things here you can see. So if you want to clear this terminal, just you run clear commands. Yeah, so terminal got clear. Next command is echo command. So echo command, when we use echo command, it's simply print whatever follow after the command. So let's suppose if you want to print anything on terminal like echo hello GK, so you can see output on terminal. Next command is less command. As I have explained, the less command is used when the output printed by any command is larger than a screen space and needs a scrolling. So let me show you one example. Let's suppose we want to see the output of apache 2.conf file. So we can use less space the complete path of this configuration file, then execute enter. You can see this file have a lot of content and not possible to uh, print entire things in a single screen. So for that you can use the list command and you can scroll up and down. You can search whatever you want to explore this file. So this is the main use of list command. The next command is top command. Let me show you in terminal how you can use the top command. To use the top command, just you type top and here you can see a lot of things. Load average of system, CPU utilization, memory utilization, total task, a lot of things you can explore here. The next command is sudo command. Sudo command we use to escalate the privilege in Linux. So let me show you how you can use the sudo command. So friends, you can see here, if you want to change the password of any user, then you need to execute command passwd followed by username. Userdel does not exist. Sorry, demo user. Yeah, you may not view or modify the password information for the demo user because right now I am logged in as a test user and that is not sudo user. So for that I need to add sudo before the command, then need to enter the password and retype the password. You can see the password is successfully updated for the user demo user. So like that you can use the sudo command. The next command is uname. So uname command is a Linux command to get a basic information about the system. Let me show you in terminal. If you see, if you run uname, just you will get the Linux. If you want to explore this, you can use uname hyphen a space hyphen hyphen help, and you will see a lot of things. If you want to print everything, just you need to enter uname a space hyphen a. You will see everything: Linux, host name, kernel version, then processor. If you want to see the kernel release, uname hyphen r. If you want to see the kernel version, you need to execute uname space hyphen v. So in this way you can use uname command. Next command is who am I, and who am I command give the active user name. So let me show you the output of who am I command. Who am I? You can see the test user. Let me run this command as a root user. Who am I? You can see the root. Yeah. The next command is passwd command, that I have already explained. You can reset the password of the user. Let me show you again. Pass demo user, confirm password. Yeah, password updated. The next command is grep command. So grep command is one of the important command in Linux. If you wish to search for a specific string within an output, the grep command comes into the picture. We can pipe the output to the grep command and extract the required string. So let me show you how you can use the grep command. So like that, here we have a lot of files, and let me show you the test3 file content. Yeah, so from test3 file you want to grab the string, any string. Let me grab the command a string Linux world with gk. So if you want to extract, just you need to enter cat test3 pipeline grab. You can use hyphen I, then put that as string. You will get that line completely. So a lot of things are here to explain about the grep, and grep is one of the big topic. So later I will explain you the grep in deep in separate video, because grep is not a small things. And next command is head command. So head command return the specified number of line from top. Head and tail both are important command in Linux. Mainly if you analyze any logs for the server, on the server for any application, so you will generally use head and tail command. So by default head command will give the 10 lines from the top, and tail command will give 10 lines from the bottom. Let me show you the example of head and tail command. So where logs, if you want first 10 line of the file, this is a logs file in Ubuntu. So you can see you can get first 10 line. If you want any specific number of lines output in a terminal, you can use hyphen n. Let's suppose you want first 20 lines, so you can give, see, now you have it first 20 lines logs in your terminal. Similarly, if you want to get last 20 lines of the log file, then you can use tell -n. So these are the last 20 lines from the bottom. One more thing I want to explain you here. If you want to continue monitoring this file, you can use 10 space -f then file name. So you will see the live logs. You can see. Yeah. The next command is aptm rpm. So these are the package manager depending on the distro. So apt is Ubuntu package manager, am and rpm is a Red Hat package manager. So with help of the apt, you can install any package on Ubuntu. So let me show you how you can use the apt command. So if you want to install any package, so you need to run sudo apt install. Let's suppose you want to install this package. Yeah, so this package has been installed. Similarly, if you want to remove this package, you need to execute the command apt remove. Yeah. So friends, this is Ubuntu VMs for YAM and RPM. I need Red Hat or CentOS system. So the syntax is same. If you want to install any package in Red Hat machine, then you need to execute sudo yum install package name. Next command is ps. ps command display the active process. Next is kill and kill all command. So kill command will kill the process. So if you want to kill any process, you can run the command kill followed by the PID of the process. But if you don't know the process ID and just you want to kill the process by the name, you can make use of kill all command. The command will be kill all followed by the name of the process. The next command is df command. The next command is df and mount command. So when working with Linux, the df and mount commands are very efficient utilities to mount the file system and get details of file system. When I say the mount, it means that we will connect to the device to a folder so we can access the file from our file system. The default syntax to mount a file system is below. Mount, let me show you this in terminal. So I will add hash, so this command will not execute. So if you want to mount any device, then you can run the mount command in this way: mount a space device a space the mount location where you want to mount. So here tab / cd-rom is device and mount is a folder where this device will be mounted. To see the mount device and get the more information about them, we make use of df command, and just typing df will give you the data in bytes which is not readable. So we will use the -h parameter to make the data human readable. So let me execute this command df commands. So you can see the file system details. But if you want to output in human readable format, then run df space -h. You can see the size in MB and GB, so you can easily identify which disk is going to full, how much percentage is available, how much percentage used. All those information you can get by df utility. Next command is chmod and chown command. The chmod and chown command give us the functionality to change the file permission and the file ownership are the most important Linux commands you should know. The main difference between the function of two commands is that the chmod command allows changing the file permission while chown allows us to change the file ownership. So let me show you how the chmod and ch command work in Linux. So as I have created multiple files and directory, so let's suppose you want to change the permission of the file test3. Right now this file have a read write read permission, but you want to change it. So how you can change? You need ch mode whatever you want. Let's suppose you want to keep execute permission. Test 3 execute, then file name. I have given execute permission. Let me show you. See, execute permission given to everyone, user groups and others. Like that you can change the permission of file as per your requirement. But you can use chown command to change the ownership of the file. Let's suppose you want to change the ownership of the file from test to root test. So for that you need to execute a command with sudo command, sudo chown root test3. Here root is a user, test is a group, test3 is a file name. Now you can see user is root, group is test. So in this way you can use chmod and chown command. Next command is ifconfig. Ifconfig command will give you the list of all network interface along with IP address, MAC addresses and other information about the interface. So let me show you the output of the ifconfig in Linux. Sorry. Let me install this package. Yeah, so you can see the details of the network interface here with IP and MAC address. If you want more information on ifconfig, you can simply run if space hyphen help. So you can get the option how you can use this utility deeply. Next command is wget command. Friends, wget command we use to download some files from internet. So if you want to download any package or anything, you can use wget command. Friends, if you want similar more videos, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.